Trimtone is a thermogenic fat burning for women. It helps women lose weight without having to go to extremes. It is made of purely natural ingredients that have been studied to have effect on weight loss. This non-stimulant fat burner will ramp up your metabolism and allow stored fat to be burned for energy. We'll talk more on that later. It is important to note that Trimtone is just a supplement and not some wonder drug. While it will help you on your weight loss journey, that doesn't mean you should become a couch potato. You would also need to eat healthy and do minimal exercises like walking around. Unlike the traditional weight loss regimen, Trimtone targets weight loss from a different perspective. This gives it the edge over many other weight loss supplements out there. Its all-natural ingredient list makes it safe to use without worries of side effects. Trimtone massively cuts down the amount of time it would take you to achieve your body goal. It achieves this by targeting weight loss from several angles such as reduction of appetite, fat burning, increasing metabolism, etc. From different angles. It will increase the rate at which you lose weight using naturally fueled fat burning mechanism. You're probably already curious as to what this mechanism is. How does Trimtone work? To better understand the magnitude of the effects of Trimtone on your weight loss journey, let's take a peek at how it works. How does Trimtone work? As a general overview, the body can utilize different elements of food as sources of energy. However, due to the composition of food in recent times, carbohydrate is the most commonly used source of energy by your body. When carbohydrate is too much, the excess becomes converted to fat and stored. This is the reason why eating too much carbohydrates can get you overweight. On the other hand, Trimtone Fat Burner tries to adjust this anomaly. For a woman, belly fat is probably top 5 most unwanted things. To fix this, Trimtone tackles the source of energy used by the body. Basically, this thermogenic fat burner gives a signal to the body to stop using carbohydrates for energy and switch to burning fat. With such a switch, your body becomes a fat-burning furnace. You basically burn fat throughout the day in exchange for energy to go about your daily activities. It's a win-win situation if you ask me. In essence, Trimtone stimulates thermogenesis and helps speed up your metabolism, thereby increasing the rate at which your body burns fat. As I've said before, Trimtone is targeting weight loss from different angles. Another important point of action of this non-stimulant fat burner for women is its appetite-controlling ability. It is able to curb cravings and reduce the way you consume unhealthy diets. As you already know, too much food, especially unhealthy food, is a gateway to weight problems for most. Trimtone as a weight loss supplement will help you control how you eat. It suppresses your appetite and gives you the ability to say no to that brownie or cookie. In a manner of speaking, it gives you back control over your life. It is a supplement that is made from well-researched ingredients known to affect weight. Some of these ingredients boost your metabolism and bring it up to an all-time high. This will further make the fat-burning effect of Trimtone more effective. Let's take a look at these ingredients and see what Trimtone weight loss supplement is actually made of. Ingredients in Trimtone weight loss supplement. It is pleasing to hear that Trimtone contains only the good stuff Mother Nature has to offer. It is not one of those weight loss supplements filled with fillers, preservatives, additives, or other nasty stuff. It is made of just the right ingredients and not packed with unnecessary things like many other fat burners for women. Each Trimtone pill might look ordinary, but they are quite powerful. This is because they contain only the absolutely necessary ingredients. These ingredients have been researched to the highest and their weight loss property is well known. Furthermore, they are combined in the perfect ratio to achieve weight loss in a short time with minimal stress. The ingredients include
caffeine, green coffee,
green tea, grain of paradise. Unique qualities of Trimtone fat burner for women. There are hundreds of weight loss supplements out there. What are those qualities that make Trimtone different? Let's take a peek at some of those qualities. Every ingredient in Trimtone fat burner has been researched extensively. The ingredients are mixed in the perfect ratio to bring about weight loss. Trimtone fat burner is made with 100% natural ingredients. It contains no additives, preservatives or toxins. Trimtone does not require a doctor's prescription. It is made in the United States of America. It is GMP certified. Take one Trimtone pill once a day before breakfast. Keep in mind you should take it with water to properly absorb it. You can also take Trimtone before you train as a pre-workout supplement if you need more energy during exercise. Whether you need to kickstart your weight loss or you're looking for long-term weight maintenance, Trimtone will help you reach your goals and achieve your best body, whatever that means to you. Trimtone works. But if, after taking it as directed alongside a suitable diet and exercise program for at least 50 days, you don't believe Trimtone is supporting your weight loss efforts, simply email us within 50 to 100 days of receiving your order and we promise to refund your money, excluding a $15 fixed fee to cover shipping and admin costs.